Morning all, off on my hamburger saga again, trying to find the best hamburger in Melbourne. So this is hamburger number 3 and it's called Tucker's Burgers. It's in East Bentley or McKinnon, one of the two. Let's go check it out. On my way to check out this hamburger joint, I went past a Sri Lankan shop. I couldn't help myself. It was bloody, it was like a magnet. Pan roll. Oh well. I'm at Tucker Burgers in Bentley East or McKinnon, and it's awesome in here. It's really, really nice. A lot of recommendations to come down. And let's see what the burger's like. So, hi, how are you? I'd like to order the mother platter, thanks. And that's it, just that one. I got my burger and it looks awesome. Look at that. That is old school, it's got an egg. Oh, yum. I'm gonna get into it. Bit of bacon fell out. My God, this is awesome. The guy gave me great access. Really appreciate it. Check that out. Check that burger out. I don't know what that sauce is, but it's awesome. It's got a great theme in here. There's a lot of cartoon characters like Mario and so forth, but it's got beetroot. It's really, really delicious. No more talking, just eating. It's really a old school burger, and I'm comparing all the burgers the same, so I'm not ordering a double deluxe or anything like that. So it's with a single patty. Yeah, and this hits the spot. Patty's done really well. It's thicker than the Flemish wolf. It's Wagyu beef, and you can taste the difference. Yeah, really enjoying it. I think we have a new front runner. Catch you later. See you, bye. Wow. That burger was sensational. I really loved it. Thank you so much, Dina, for putting me onto that one. That was unbelievable. I used to go to school around here, just around the corner. Yeah, so a bit nostalgic, brings back a few memories. You know, we used to hang around that area. But yeah, look, that burger, really good. Could be a front runner so far, but I'll reserve judgment till the end. Well, till next time, guys. We'll check out burger number 4. Till next time, be safe, take care, and see you then.